What's up, muscle car people? This is Bringing Muscle Cars, and I'm Matt. We're back working on the non-muscle car of the muscle car channel, the Subaru Impreza L. If you remember, we're turbocharging the factory motor, the EJ18. Pretty excited, using mostly stock parts. So, one thing that we're gonna do, we're gonna clean up the engine bay, and we're also gonna clean up some parts. All right guys, now we're gonna clean the motor. I got some heavy duty engine degreaser. So we're going to take some of the factory parts that we took off when we took off the motor, and we are going to clean them up and then repaint them, paint them black. So I got this Loctite Extend Rust Neutralizer.
We're using this Krylon rust converting black primer to paint all this engine crap.
Show them. You gotta show them. Hey, you gotta show them the skin. There.
All right.
Dry now. Shake it. Yeah, I guess. So we'll work on cleaning up the engine, the parts, and just make it look a little bit better. I mean, it's a 1995 Subaru with rust all throughout the whole body. So how good are we gonna actually try to make it look? We're also gonna take some brake cleaner here, and we're gonna clean the engine compartment. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. We got the motor cleaned, we got some parts cleaned, we got a couple coats of primer on those. We'll finish painting them next time. We got the transmission cleaned. We'll finish the engine bay today or next time. If you like this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, smash that notification bell so you don't miss any awesome updates on the Subaru, on the GT500, on the Pontiac G8, and also on all the other cars we have. So stay tuned. If you got a fast car like us, remember you better bring it. Thanks for watching, guys.